All right, check out my screen here. There's this thing going around, and it uses a broadcast from Tucker Carlson's show, which he no longer has on Fox News, and they manipulated his face to be someone else's face, and they manipulate all the graphics to claim that you can sign up for $10,000 in debt relief. And I don't know what's going on here. I don't know what at all is happening here other than this is definitely a scam. Let's hit play here and see exactly what they have to say. And this is an ad running on Instagram.
Yes, that's right. Under this program, anyone who has $10,000 or more in credit card debt or medical debt should be eligible to have it completely reduced down to zero.
Now, the way you have to check to see if you can get into this is go to this website, fill out about a 2-minute form. You'll see if you qualify, and from there, you'll be enrolled into the program. Most unsecured debt does qualify, but check the website just to be sure. All the information will be there online. The form is available to fill out now, and it takes about 2 minutes.
Okay, so Joseph Chairman, and it has a fake photo for the profile photo. This is a scam, okay? This is one of those things where they make a big claim, and all it is you're giving up your information so somebody can make commission based upon you giving up your information. And then you're going to get marketed to by people who might be able to help you get out of debt. You know, texts, calls, emails, real mail through your mailbox, that sort of thing. It's just a play to bait and switch you with this big promise, and then you get hit with a bunch of communications from companies that are going to claim they can help you get out of debt, and that's something you don't want. This $10,000 in debt relief thing is BS. Don't believe in it, don't fall for it, and stay far away from it. Like, comment with what you think about all this, and then share this video as well. Subscribe to me. That's the number one thing you can do. Subscribe down below and hit the bell. That would mean a whole lot to me. And, you know, you're not going to get anything really anything like this. It seems way too good to be true, whether it's a stimulus check, a subsidy, something to help you get out of debt or whatever. Unless it's really in the news and you can find legitimate news articles from big name news publishers. I don't care if you think that they're mainstream news. Oh, you can't trust them and all that. That's great. Whatever. Like, I'm just saying you got to find information out there that confirms something's real before you just believe in it. And so this sort of a thing is just not true. It's a play to get your information so then you can get, harassed via phone and text and email, whatever. Okay. That's it. Thank you for watching.